Have you ever closed your eyes and pictured a world that doesn't exist yet? That's the magic of imagination. Today's word is imagination. Can you say it with me? Imagination. Let's spell it together. Ready? I-M-A-G-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. That spells imagination. Imagination means the ability to create ideas or pictures in your mind. It's how stories, art, and inventions are born. Here are some words that mean the same as imagination. Say them with me. Creativity, like painting a picture straight from your mind. Fantasy, like dreaming up dragons, fairies, and flying castles. Invention, like thinking of something completely new. Vision, like seeing what could be before it even exists. Dreaming, like letting your thoughts wander to wonderful places. Each of these words shows how imagination helps you create and dream beyond what's real. Now let's look at the opposites of imagination. Reality, like the everyday world we see around us. Dullness, like doing the same thing without creativity. Logic, like focusing only on facts instead of possibilities. Routine, like following the same path over and over. Unimaginativeness, like not thinking outside the box. That's what happens when we forget to dream. Here's a great example. Sofia used her imagination to write a magical adventure about flying unicorns. Let's review. Imagination means the ability to create ideas or pictures in your mind. Synonyms include creativity, fantasy, invention, vision, and dreaming. Antonyms include reality, dullness, routine, and unimaginativeness. Imagination turns ordinary moments into magic. Your mind can build whole worlds. Your challenge: use your imagination to picture something magical and share it with someone. Keep imagining, keep dreaming, and keep creating your own adventures. See you tomorrow for another Word Up with Sofia.